Welcome here to simplifying algebraic expressions. Master algebraic expressions, save your assignment, exam, quiz, and you're struggling with math without spending too much time on terminologies. In this video you are watching right now, the lesson 1, simplifying algebraic expressions by combining like term. You're going to learn you must know like term and unlike term, and we are going to discuss big or small number line which we are going to use to in arranging terms, and the last one is that we are going to solve these three questions you are saying right now. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to see more video like this. Welcome to lesson 1 of this video, and today I want to show you something that I actually come up with, which is big and small number line, which is used to actually solve algebraic expression by combining like term. You understand? So here is it. So the first thing you have to do, let me quickly explain this number line, this big or small number line. The first thing is that we start from 0 here and we go to the left here. So when you go to this side, you understand, the number increase. That's why I draw the shape here. So the number increase to this side, and from this 0 to this side, that means -1 is bigger than -2, and -2 is bigger than -3, and -3 is bigger than -4, and so on. So you know that 1 is smaller than 2, and 2 is smaller than 3, and so on. So using this big or small number line to solve this question, which is 6a minus 2b minus 3a plus 5b, what we have to do, the first thing is that is have to find the like term. We have 6a here. We have 6a here, which is a like term with 3a. So we have 3b, 2b minus 2b and plus 5b. So the next thing is that we write this, that's 6a minus 3a, and then in minus 2b and 5 plus 5a, which one is bigger? If you check this now, we have plus 5a plus 5 here, which is the coefficient of plus 5b, and we have minus 2 here, which is the coefficient of minus 2b. Definitely 5 is bigger than minus 2b. You understand? So we have plus 5b, and then we have minus 2b. Now if one subtract 6 minus 3, just subtract its coefficient, this one will give us that's 3a, and then 5, and we say, so 5 minus 2 will give us 3, that is plus 3, that will be plus 3b. So that's the correct answer. And solving this question, 4x plus 2y plus 3x minus 5y. So the first thing is you have to find the like term. So the like term, we have 4x here, and then we have 3x, so we have 2y as the same term with 5y. So after the like terms, you have to combine it together so that you solve it question. So we have 4x plus 3x, because 4 is bigger than 3, as the big or small number line says here. So in minus 5y and plus 2y, which one is bigger? You definitely know that 2 is bigger than minus 5. So we have plus 2y and then minus 5y. Then after that, the next thing is just to add. So you add the coefficient of this will be 7x. So and then 2 minus 5, so we have 2 minus 5. So if we want to do 2 minus 5, that will give us minus 3. That will give us minus 3. You understand? So that's minus 3. So that's the correct answer. So let's do this. The first step is to find like term. We have 2x here, we have minus x here, we have minus 4x, and we have plus 3y and 5y. So 5y, sorry. So we now have to add this together. We know in 2x minus x and 4x that 2x is bigger, and in 4x minus 4x and minus x, that means minus 1 is bigger than minus 4. You understand? So minus 4x, and we have plus 3y plus 5y plus 3y. So if you subtract this one, that will be 2 minus 1, because the coefficient of this x here is 1. So we get x. So what we have here is x minus x minus 4x, and we have plus 5y, and then we have plus 3y. So the next step is that we do x minus 4. That means 1 minus 4. You understand? This 1 minus 4, how are you going to do it? We are going to get that will be minus 3. You understand? So 1 minus 4 is minus 3. So we have minus 3x, that's 8. So we have plus 8y. That's the answer.
In this video, you have learned all these things that you're seeing right on your screen here. So if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. And that's the end of the video. So up to next video, where we discuss simplifying algebraic expressions that contain negative number. Up to that time, goodbye.